Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Legendary Tech Emperor. Today we are going to unbox the CosmicByte CB-GK-02 wired gaming keyboard. So when we open the box, we get the user manual and the gaming keyboard itself. Let me keep these things aside and let's get straight into the keyboard. This keyboard is made up of fully plastic materials and feels nice to touch. Its USB cable is also different from other keyboards as it is braided cable instead of rubber. So let me plug it into my laptop and let's check it out. This keyboard has a dedicated light button and function button plus page up page down to increase the brightness or decrease. This keyboard comes with 9 lightning effects and I will show you some of them.